She was way motivated. They told me you was super motivated in the bar. Everybody else was going to get something.
She was.
Yeah, she was. She was super motivated.
She was like, man, if y'all not going to do this video, I'm going to go to the Welding.
Ready? Yep, you ready. Okay, you look closer. You look closer. There you go. Now you see how you started off fast and went slow? You got to maintain your travel speed. So however fast you're going getting started, that's how you want to do through the whole process. Alright, now when you get ready to stop, okay, now let the hand off the tree.